Hello folks, in this video you're going to see me play around with a Honda Big Red 250 ES 1986 Honda Big Red. And what am I doing? I'm just going to go through it and show you what I'm doing. So yeah, I will move over that way and we'll hop to this. So stay tuned. Oh, sorry about the shitty lighting, but anyway, I have this tank here. Let me put this thing somewhere else. Hold on a second. Hold on. Maybe we can get you some better lighting here. I'll edit this out. Anyway, this tank, I don't even know if it's salvageable. I mean, look at this. There is a complete, utter... I'm not sure how thick this metal is supposed to be, but I'm going to get a... There's a complete crustiness down this side. Hear that? The inside looks okay. I'm not really sure how they made these things. I guess it's just... Are they seam? Yeah, it's like a seam all the way down. And this side is just as crusty. So I don't know if it's going to have to be cut out here to here. The inside's horrible. So I figure if I cut this off, maybe I can get inside and recoat it. Let me get a little, let me put it on pause here. I'm going to get a, what do you call it, angle grinder and see if I can take off some paint here. Oh, before I do this, there is no risk of explosion hazard on this thing because it's been outside so long, there's been no gas in it, and it's completely horrible. So, but in case this does explode on me, and I eat my words, it was nice knowing you. So anyway, I got one of these in here. I'm just going to go along here and see how rusty it is. There is one inner rusty thing here, and I don't know. Maybe I should just give up on this thing. But the rest of it seems pretty meaty, so stick with me. There we go. What am I doing now? I'll show you the mess I made. So let me get this off of here. That came off. That came off. Rather easy. Yeah. Supposed to come out with it? Not sure. Is that a rubber tube? I don't know what's in there with it, so. Not sure if that's a tube. What it is. But anyway, so far I realized there's a giant sliver down here. There's a little bit of rust in here. This has holes up here and holes around here. And around here. So, and also there's some holes up here. And there's a giant hole over here. So I could attempt to maybe cut the bottom off. I don't know what gauge this is, so I gotta figure out what gauge metal is. I'm guessing would be to patch over here, cut this out. Probably patch this first. Thing is I gotta show you the inside. I'm not even sure this thing is worth fixing, but at the very least, let me show you the inside of the tank, which is ridiculous. So anyway, that's the tank, and if you want to see what came out of the tank, see this pile of crud down here? I don't know if you can see that, but there's a huge pile of that came out of the tank. It is absolutely massive. There's literally look at this. All that dirt and crud came out of the tank. Up on here too. So, also, wait, let me show you inside now. This is a fabulous view of, that's what it looks like inside. Not sure if it's worth welding or not, but that's the glorious interior. I don't know if that's, I don't know if that in there is like tank liner from before, crud or whatever, or I don't know what it is. I'm going to attempt to sandblast it, and then, I don't know, I'll see what happens. Who knows, the whole tank might just fall apart and be too, the top feels pretty thick. The side feels pretty flimsy, like it doesn't feel like it, but then again, it might just because, but if I cut a piece out, find out what age it is, and I will attempt to take care of this tank. Even if it's a failure, well, you know what? At least I'm trying. So, hello, folks. Anyway, last but not least, I put a shot of, you notice it's got red there. I put a shot of zinc oxide primer on it because in the past I know that this stuff does not seem to rust very quick. So in order for it to not continue rusting on me, I put a shot of zinc on it. Should keep it from flash rusting for at least a week or more. So till I get a nice piece of little metal there, I will see what I can do. Not even sure what gauge it is, but who knows.